Salvete omnes. Let's continue with the Aeneid, Book 2. Et si fata Deum, si mens non laevo fuisset, impulerat ferro argicolas foedare latebras, Troiaque nunc staret priami quaxalta maneres. And if the fates of the gods had not been light, if our mind had not been light, it would have, or he would have forced and implied us to destroy the Greek hiding places with iron, and Troy now would stand, and the lofty citadel of Priam you would be remaining. So here he's speaking, remember Aeneas is a speaker through all of this. All of Book 2 is a just extended narration of Aeneas. So he's saying, and you, lofty citadel of Priam, would be remaining. He's speaking directly to it. He's nostalgic. He's sad that all of this is gone. He's saying, like, what if the fates of the gods were different? What if we'd not been so stupid? We would have forced the Greek hiding places to be destroyed, or it would have forced us to destroy the Greek hiding places with iron, by means of iron. And remember, this is really meaning the sword, with a sword, but you can also translate it as just with iron, with weapons. Up here we have a syncopated word, because it's supposed to be deorum, but we just get deum, the or is taken out. So if the fates of the gods, genitive plural, syncopated, if the mind had not been light, so if we'd taken this more seriously, if we hadn't been stupid, we would, or he would have, meaning perhaps Laocoon, he would have forced us to divulge, destroy the Greek hiding places with iron. And Troy now would be standing, and you, lofty citadel of Priam, would be remaining.